So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the principles of good data architecture, the backbone of every scalable, reliable and future-proof data system. So if you're into cloud, data engineering, architecture or just love systems that don't randomly explode, this one's for you. Let's get started. So here we have principle number 1. So choose common components wisely. This simply means This simply means that don't reinvent the wheel every time. Use shared building blocks like object storage, monitoring tools, and version control systems. So, when teams share the same foundational components, everything becomes faster, smoother, and far less chaotic. For example, CloudPad let different teams access the same secure dataset while using their own tools. It boosts collaboration and agility. Next, now principle 2. We have plan for failure. So, because let's be honest, systems fail, networks glitch, someone pushes and updates on Friday evening, you know the drill. Come on. So, good architecture always considers reliability, uptime, RTO, and RPO. Think of it like designing your system with safety net. For example, an e-commerce site that can only afford a 5-minute outage versus an internal app that can tolerate more downtime. Plan for the worst so your users never feel it. Now, next we have principle 3. So, principle 3 is all about scalability. So, your system should grow when traffic spikes and shrink when things are quiet automatically. Elastic architectures save costs and improve performance. Now, what's an example for it? The example is spinning up processing dusters only during heavy jobs and shutting them down afterwards, which also makes that is smart scaling, which also makes users happy plus finance team. Next, we have principle 4. Architecture is leadership. So, architects don't just design systems, they set the direction for entire teams. They guide best practices, define workflows, and ensure everyone is aligned. Now, think of them as the GPS for engineering teams. They show the direction, but the team still drives. Okay, now moving on, we have the fifth principle, which is always be architecting. So good architecture is never a one-time activity. Technology changes, business needs shift, new tools emerge. That means diagrams, systems, and plans should continuously evolve too. Your architecture should grow as fast as your company does. Now, principle 6, build loosely coupled systems. So, in small terms, breaking things into small, independent components. This lets the team update features without breaking the whole system. Now, microservices are the classic example. Each service can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. So, no more one tiny change broke the entire module, etc. nightmares. Okay. Now, principle 7, make reversible decisions. So, the tech world changes fast. So, your decision should be flexible too. Now, choose tools and architecture that you can modify, replace, or roll back without tearing your system apart. Examples include modular designs or open data formats that prevent vendor lock in. Now, we have principle 8, which is prioritize security. So, not just the security team, but everyone is responsible for protecting data. So, this includes zero trust practices, strict identity management, and constant monitoring. Example, engineers enforcing tight cloud permissions and tracking access logs. So, security is not optional, and attackers they don't sleep at all. You have to be careful 24 by 7. Principle 9, which is embrace FinOps. So, cloud costs can spiral out of control if you're not careful. FinOps bring financial accountability into engineering. They track spending, optimize workloads, and set alerts so that your cloud bill doesn't shock you at the end of the month. Think of it as budgeting your architecture, but smarter. Okay. So those were the 9 principles of good data architecture and a roadmap for building data systems that are scalable, secure, efficient, and cost smart. So if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and please subscribe to the channel. And you can find the notes for this particular video in the description of the video. And please do come back for more amazing content. Thank you very much.